Here's this week's five-star all-star athlete.
A lot of people may not realize that cross country really is a team sport.
It is, yeah. It's way more than track too. It's you run individually, but when districts and everything come around, it definitely, those 7 varsity girls, you definitely kind of feel a bond, like help each other along and help you move on.
But now in track, not only have you run the crazy person race, the 800,
which is very enjoyable.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is that?
I don't like full out sprints like the 100 or anything. I'm really not that fast. So, but the 800, I never really get a chance to train for it, so we just do it for points at districts. But it's kind of fun. I mean, for a cross country runner, you get to take down that mileage, but I always like the weird workouts in cross country, like repeat 200s. So it's more like that. So.
Kind of sticks with you, and
Yeah.
You really, well, no wonder. I mean, you're obviously getting a lot out of it.
Yeah.
Repeat 200s. Yeah. Not a lot
do
of cross.
20 laps
Yeah,
of those.
exactly. Not a lot of cross country runners are out there doing repeat 200.
Yeah.
Well, you got great things in front of you. There's no question about that, Kelsey. And so congratulations. You're our high school all-star award winner from St. John's Country Day for outstanding achievement in athletics, academics, and community service. Signed by me and presented on this day with the Great Seal of Channel 4. Congratulations.